Guys, welcome to my vlog. Tingnan nyo, malapit kami sa river. Ang pinaka-view namin ay river, di ba? River and kagubatan, forest, yan. Yun lang guys, sinabi ko lang. So, totoo lang ay, wala na ako mga iba vlog guys at naubos ko na ng kwento ang talambuhay ko. Hindi, mamaya guys, ang kailangan ko lang talaga ay wifi, yes, to upload my video. Pero next week maybe I can have a wifi already. This time I need to wait, yes. And I have a plan to going sa Pandan. Like yesterday, you know, I need to do something. Kailangan kong ayusin ang aking mga kailangan gamitin. Yes, kasi magpapa-open account ako at may mga bagay akong ganyan talaga, makeup nga di ba? At kailangan ko ng ng mga valid ID maliban sa passport kasi itong passport ko ay hanggang 2028 pa naman siya magi-expired. I still have, you know, more time to have a new one, yes. And it doesn't matter if it's expired. Besides, I'm here already in Philippines and I'm still Filipino, so I have right to get passport even that it expired or not expired. So maybe after 3 years, yes, I will get a new one. Yeah, but I try to search in online. Maybe I can apply a new one after 3 years, yes. And I need to forward my ID only, or maybe I can send it by through email here. By the way guys, nilipat ko yan, oh. Ayan. Yung bulaklak, di ba? Ang ganda, no? Tanim ko yan last year. Yes, oh my God, it's rainy. Yeah. It's a rainy day. Thankful ako kasi I bring my own raincoat. Oh, di ba? Alam mo guys, sa totoo lang, mas masarap mamuhay sa Pilipinas. Simple lang, pero walang nanggugulo sa buhay ko. Yes. Maliban sa aso kong... kasi... Ano ba yan? Lagi na lang umuulan. Kung sabay guys, mas gugustuhin kong umulan kaysa winter ang kaharap ko araw-araw. Yeah. Alam mo naman kapag pinanganak ka sa Pilipinas, at alam mo na, ano ba yan? It's dark. Dito ka halos lumaki. Siyempre, hahanapin mo ang weather sa Pilipinas. Yeah. Ito nga pala ang aking makulit na si Cassie. Hello, Cassie. Ayan, si Cassie Naughty. Yan. Ayan. Si Cassie Naughty. O, diba? Ang cute-cute ng dog ko na. Social. Dog ko yan. Yan. She is mine. Yeah. But doon siya nakatira kay Gary kasi ayaw ko ng yung yung sahig ko ay madumi. Doon siya magpo-pops, no. Hindi siya pwedeng mag-pops. Alam mo last year, last year ba? Yes, 2023. It's 2 years ago already. You know what? Yeah. She make poops inside, yeah. That's why I need to be alert now. If she stay inside, I need to throw her away, yes, or put her outside. Yeah. By the way, guys, thank you for watching to all my videos, and I hope that you will stay to my YouTube channels forever. And thank you to all my loyal supporters. Yes, thank you so much sa inyo guys. God bless you all. Have a nice day to all of you. Yes, take care always. Bye.